2. The principal. Your school name. City. Subject: application for school leaving certificate. Respected Sir and Madam, I respectfully state that I am a student of your class, in your school. Due to state reason, e.g., my family's transfer to another city, change of residence, or admission to another school, I will not be able to continue my studies here. Therefore, I kindly request you to issue me my school leaving certificate at the earliest, along with any other necessary documents, so that I may take admission in my new school without delay. I am thankful to the school for providing me with quality education and guidance during my time here. I shall be very grateful for your kind cooperation. Yours obediently. Your name. Class, your class. Roll no, your roll number.